Welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica. Today's journey will take us from Portmore in St. Catherine to Half a Tree in Kingston. Now, we'll be taking the I-95 and Mandela Highway and also Molynes Road into Half a Tree, all right? It's a weekend, guys. It's a Saturday afternoon, so I don't expect much delays on the road, to be honest, but who knows? Let's see what happens, all right? And guys, once you watch the video, please leave a comment. This is how I get to talk back to you. Come on, how am I going to know that you watch my video, right? So talk to me, guys, in the comment section and I will respond, all right? If it's even just to say hi or hello or leave an emoji, something, just talk to me. If there's somewhere that you want to see me go to, guys, you can also let me know and I'll make it happen, all right? If I'm on the roadways driving and if you had an experience on that particular roadway, you can always comment and let me know what happened there. If there's somewhere where, if I drive past somewhere where you work, somewhere where you live, you can always let me know as well. You know what I mean? Just let's have a conversation in the comment section, guys. All right? Because I just want to talk to you people. All right? I just want to talk to you guys. I'm kind of lonely, so I want to talk to you. I'm joking, but talk to me in the comment section, guys, all right, and I'll respond. So feel I'm talking too much too right now, guys, so let's touch the road and I hope you enjoy, all right? Hey guys, so we've basically come to the end of our journey, and if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, okay? Also guys, leave a comment, okay? I want to know who is watching my videos. I want to talk back to you, alright? It takes about 2 seconds to say hi, or if you want, you could just say hello or leave an emoji, something, alright? There's no reason to be shy, okay? Few more things too guys. We are on Instagram, okay? So all you have to do is search for Driving Through Jamaica on Instagram and you'll find us, or you can click the links in our description. All right, we also have a group chat on Telegram. I'm not sure if many of you are aware of Telegram, but it's a messaging app just like WhatsApp, okay? So but it's more private, I would say, because you can chat and stuff and no one will see your number unless you decide for them to see your phone number, okay? You can keep a lot of stuff private on there, and your messages, and you'll be able to communicate with everyone regularly in the chat and as well. All right, now there isn't a lot of persons in this Telegram chat as yet, so you'll be one of the first set of persons to actually be in this chat group. All right, so you can click the link in the description and it will take you straight to Telegram. If it is that you don't have Telegram, I guess it will route you to your app store or to the Google Play Store for you to download it, and then it will just bring you directly in the chat group. All right, so that's where we can share a whole lot more stuff, you know what I mean? You can talk about how your day went and all that stuff. We're just gonna build a community, okay guys? I'm gonna go see if I can get a parking over here in the pavilion and maybe grab a burger from Burger King. So until our next drive through Jamaica, be safe everyone.